Hello cruisers, and welcome back to Prescribed Adventures. Today we are on board Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas, and we're going to give you a tour of the Chill Island deck pool area. So as we come out from the front of the ship, and you see Icon of the Seas docking right next to us here at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. You have the Swim Tonic Swim Up Bar. This is adult only, 18 and over. And I'm so glad that they made that change. As you can see up here, you have casitas that you can rent for the day. Pretty pricey, but if you want that exclusive, this is my seat area, that's how you're gonna get them. So as you can see, Star of the Seas, right next to Icon of the Seas here at Perfect Day. We're gonna circle around. Here's where the band plays during the sailaways. You got more casitas. Can't exactly walk around here. But looking down, you can see the infinite balcony overlooking Central Park. And we're gonna walk back over and swing around. And here you have a little mini slide, closed right now, that you can go down the one deck to 15. So over here you have your lime and coconut ice bar, all the frozen drinks. And we'll head down to 15. And we're here now down on 15. Here we are at the other lime and coconut, where you can get your regular lime and coconut drinks. You got some beautiful seating right here. Remember, this is Chill Island. You got your hot tub. You got your pools right here. I know that some people wish there were more pools, but they do need to understand that water is very heavy. And so that's why they have an amazing amount of pools on the ship. They're all smaller. But I do love these beds. Let me show you real quick. You can actually prop them up. Just like that. And you actually have seating in the pools. Just want to get your feet wet.
Sí, lo que pasa es que
And they already have the lifeguards out here. And I guess we will include a Loco Fresh on this part of the tour. So El Loco Fresh, Mexican cuisine. This is included in your another complimentary included option, food option. During the day, open from I think 11 to 5. But they'll have the quesadillas, burritos. You got your salsa station, some tacos. And then, morning, back over this way. Got your guacamole, your Cinco de Mayo. And you can come over and got another whirlpool here. I do know on Star of the Seas there's an additional whirlpool, and I'm not sure which one it is, but maybe it's that one. So there you have it, folks. That is Chill Island. This is where you want to come, relax, but still want to be outside compared to the Aquadome overlook area where you can be inside. And there you have it, folks. That was Chill Island here on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out the playlist, as we're going to have all the neighborhoods, plus the casino, plus a boarding day video. So check out all of that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.